So hello everyone, today we're comparing two popular dashcams, the Thinkware U1000 and the Viofo A119 V3. So let's see which one reigns supreme for your driving needs. So first up, let's talk about the video quality. So the Thinkware U1000 boasts a 4K resolution with excellent low light performance, capturing sharp and detailed footage even in challenging conditions. The Viofo A119 V3 offers a more basic approach, so it has a 1080p resolution, which is still sufficient for most drivers, but may not be as ideal for capturing license plates from a distance. Now let's consider the features. So the Thinkware U1000 offers a more advanced features like Super Night Vision 3.0 and safety camera alerts, and also the cloud connectivity. Now, the Viofo A119 V3 provides a more basic feature set, focusing on reliable recording and a compact design. Now, let's talk about the ease of use and installation. Now, the Thinkware U1000 generally has a more user-friendly interface with a well-regarded mobile app, while on the other hand, the Viofo A119 V3 is known for its straightforward installation and relatively easy setup. Now, when we talk about the price and value, the Thinkware U1000 is a premium dashcam with a higher price tag to match its advanced features and 4K resolution. The Viofo A119 V3 is a more budget-friendly option, offering good value for its price. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and budget. The Thinkware U1000 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize high-quality video, advanced features, and peace of mind. The Viofo A119 V3 is a solid option for drivers seeking a reliable and affordable dashcam. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.